pomegranate. So here's our pomegranate. Now to check for ripeness, you want to make sure that the skin is somewhat wrinkled and not super smooth or firm. Also, it's normal for pomegranates to have blemishes on their skin, so don't let that be a deciding factor. To begin, I'll start by using a paring knife to make incisions around the top of the pomegranate like so. Next, using the tip of your knife, begin to pry off that top almost as if it were a lid. The seeds are now revealed, and as you can see, there's these segments here that look like little lines. And we want to follow those lines with our knife, making sure to keep the bottom intact by not slicing all the way down. We'll then pry open these segments. And then remove the core in the center. Next, we'll place our pomegranate over a bowl and begin to tap each segment with the back of a spoon. This will help to release the seeds without crushing, bruising, or cutting them. As you tap, make sure to also push your spoon against the skin as it'll be more effective. And there's our pomegranate completely de-seeded. A few seeds will remain, but you can easily pop those out with your fingers. Next, we want to remove any inedible bits. So pour some water to cover. And here's the bits we want to remove, which is the pith. The pith will float to the top once disturbed, and then you can simply remove with a small strainer. Lastly, we'll strain out the water. Then we'll place our seeds into a deli container. And there you have it, pomegranate seeds for whenever you need them.